Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's GK session. I am Suresh sir. This video lecture is prepared for revision session which is taken by myself and Bina teacher. Let us see. We will take 4 questions from each lesson. There are 4 lessons starting from 20 to 24. So all the students 20, 21, 22 and 23 tick the answer. Please look at the question properly. A disease caused by fungus infection. 3 options will be given. Whatever the questions are there, likewise number 2, disease caused by mosquito bite. Rats can be caused plague. Likewise so on. Total there are 10 questions. Further continue 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Likewise all the questions answer should be ready in your mind. So this is a revision lecture. So answer I am not discussing, only plot idea of paper style I am giving. Then comes water body, large and small. Then there are some systems are coming. Name the following point. The world's largest, greatest, longest and deepest, smallest and shallowest ocean, river, lake, area, everything you have to remember. If you remember these all points, you can write the question's answer. So it is important to go through this question also. Already Bina teacher shared this answer. So you should also continue with it. Then comes mountains and peaks. Match the following points. In match the following points, please remember whatever the correct session is given to you, in front of that correct answer should be you have to write down. Please do not cross mark any line. Only correct answer is allowed to write. Do not write any number. Suppose Mount Cook is given, then you have to write in front of Mount Cook, New Zealand. Do not match or write the figure, digit or cross the line. Avoid such all the things and make it perfect work so it is easy for understand. This is paper style idea only. So answer you have already, you can practice at home and learn well. Then further continue 23 lesson. Information at your fingertips. Many underlines are given to you. Based on underline, suppose World Wide Web is a large part of internet. It is a true sentence. World Wide War is a false sentence. So please look at the question series properly and then you can put your answer. There are many other points are also given. Hyperlink is the way in which different web pages are connected on internet. It is a true sentence. Sabir Bhatia also introduced the Hotmail. Then man to machine. In man to machine 24 lesson, you can see that 24 lesson I have not added here in the PDF, but short idea I am giving you. In that correct number and box matching is given. In place of that you have to write down the correct name. A machine that lifts the heavy objects. There you can write a crane is the correct answer. Likewise you can continue. Please I request all the students to learn well this whole lesson and furthermore prepare for the exam. If you have any queries during Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you can call me at any time. I am ready to answer your queries. Thank you students.